As you can see behind us here, they provided us with a lift which is now used daily by our storage customers. Before the idea of the lift, we only had one floor, so we decided to build a mezz floor, which allowed us to double the amount of rooms, which is obviously financially good for the business. When we first had the mezzanine floor built, the customers were using the stairs, and we noticed that some people were struggling getting certain items upstairs. We obviously then deemed that to be unsafe, so we sat down, decided that a lift was needed, and ever since having that, it makes the place a lot more safe, a lot more usable for our customers. And also when people are coming down, with a few quotes in their hand and looking for the cheapest or the best storage, that is definitely a winning factor. We found that these guys were sort of the most honest and open with some of the questions that we had, with obviously never having one before. We were sort of going in blind, and these guys just sort of made us feel really at ease, and it was an easy choice for us. When we first had the idea, to them guys coming down, showing us what can be done, what can't be done, the different types of lift that they offer, and we then selected our choice. They were very efficient in getting it down here, showing us how it works. It was 4 to 6 weeks from when we confirmed the plans with Penny to the lift being installed. We've only had one issue. The lift behind me, a member of the public pulled it as opposed to slid it, and now we're down here the same afternoon, swapped it over, problem solved, and it was ready in working order for the remainder of the day. From when the guys come down, showed us the plans for the lift, to see it installed, to see it now working daily. Very, very happy, and I would definitely recommend Penny Hydraulics.